On September 27th, 2013, Google turned 15 years. And to celebrate the occasion, Google launched a new search algorithm named Google Hummingbird. It is Google's claim that the new search algorithm can provide more reliable and relevant responses to your internet search queries in the future. For many of you who are wondering how the new search algorithm will impact the way we search and the way to optimize a website, this short video explains from basics, from what we know as of now, about how Google plans to improve how you search on the internet with Hummingbird. A search algorithm is a technical term to describe how Google or any other search engine finds the data you search every day on the internet. Think of the algorithm as a recipe for cupcakes and the search result as the cupcake itself. Just like making cupcakes, from selecting the right ingredients, to slicing and chopping, to mixing and baking, to decorating the cupcake, a search algorithm has a process to deliver the search results you enter. If you type in a search query, let's say, how to make cupcakes, Google sends this task to an index server. The index server is a lot like the index page of a book in how it functions. It tells which pages that contain the search term how to make cupcakes. This task is then sent to a doc server, which retrieves the stored documents related to the search task how to make cupcakes. Snippets are then generated to describe each search results, giving relevance to the search query, and are returned to the user in a fraction of a second. This entire process is what we call a search algorithm, much like the recipe for making cupcakes. Technology is always evolving and goes through continuous changes and innovations as new and better methods are discovered. Imagine the evolution of a cell phone from this to this. Same way, Google keeps on innovating its search algorithms to make internet searches more accurate, relevant, and reliable. Google named the new search algorithm after the dexterous hummingbird for its speed and accuracy that should return better, relevant, and intelligent search results in the future. Just like Google Hummingbird, Google Panda, Google Penguin, and other updates were changes to parts of the old algorithm, but not an entire replacement of the whole. Think of it again like the cell phone analogy. The old cell phone only had the capability to make and receive calls, and that was the primary reason of a phone. As technology evolved, new innovations such as text messaging, internet browsing, and the ability to take pictures and share amongst friends were included as part of a phone. But still, the newer phones still have the original use just like the old phones, and that is making and receiving phone calls. Similarly, the old updates as well as the Hummingbird updates are new innovations that Google has added as improvements to the original search algorithm. But the Hummingbird update will affect more than any other previous search updates, because it will impact more than 90% worldwide searches and will include a host of other languages than English. The biggest change Hummingbird will include in its algorithm is the inclusion of long-tailed keywords as part of conversational search. Unlike the more familiar semantic keyword search, a long-tail keyword search has natural, sentence-like language built into it, so people who use voice-activated searches may find it useful. By definition, a long-tail keyword consists of at least 2 or 3 words and as many as 5 to 7 words. Let's examine this example further. One-word phrases or keywords are very common searches and are difficult to rank due to the high cost and high competition. Same goes to 2 to 3 word phrases because these were the type of keywords internet searchers used to search and SEO companies used to rank due to the popularity of its use. But times have changed, and more internet searchers are getting used to voice searches and are using long-tail keywords to search for more information. In the past, if you search vanilla and cinnamon cupcakes recipe, the old and more familiar semantic search algorithm will take the words cupcake and recipe from the search query and will give you search results related to cupcakes recipe because that was how it was programmed to search. In order to find vanilla and cinnamon cupcake recipes, you may have to browse pages and pages that list different recipes to find your exact search. But that was in the past. Now, Google is trying to incorporate more descriptive word phrases and more descriptive phrases in its search results. Since this is a new trend, these descriptive word phrases should also be incorporated as part of your web pages. Due to its novelty, descriptive phrases have low cost and low risks with high probability of conversion rates in the future when ranking your website for descriptive keywords. Now, does that mean getting rid of your old keywords? No. You can still add pages to your website and start inserting the long-tail keywords as part of your SEO strategy. A conversational search is different from typing in a keyword or a keyword phrase or even a long-tail keyword from your keyboard. A conversational search can also include follow-up questions. Let's do a conversational search on Apple and see what we find out. To enable to do this, you need to have the latest version of Google Chrome installed to enable voice search. Once you have the latest version, you will notice a microphone icon, as shown here, on your Google search page. Apple.
According to Wikipedia, Apple Inc. is an American multinational corporation headquartered in Cupertino, California, that designs, develops, and sells consumer electronics, computer software, and personal computers.
Who founded it?
Steve Jobs, Ronald Wayne, and Steve Wozniak.
When was it founded?
Apple Inc. was founded in 1976.
What is the stock price of Apple?
Apple closed up 1.1% on Thursday at $524.94.
Let's try something different. Let's try a celebrity or someone who is famous, and let's do some follow-up questions just to see how Google will respond to this voice search. Who is Barack Obama?
According to Wikipedia, Barack Hussein Obama II is the 44th and current President of the United States and the first African American to hold the office.
Where was he born?
He was born in Honolulu, Hawaii, at Giselle Talamak.
Who are his parents?
Barack Obama's parents are Ann Dunham and Barack Obama Sr.
How tall is he?
Barack Obama is 1.85 meters tall.
Who is his wife?
His spouse is Michelle Obama since 1992.
Where was she born?
She was born in Chicago, Illinois, at Giselle Talamak.
How tall is she?
Michelle Obama is 1.8 meters tall.
If you are an SEO strategist and if you think that Google Hummingbird is going to drastically change how you have been doing SEO, then you are misinformed. Although the previous practice of using meta keywords and secondary keywords are now a thing of the past, Google has now adopted many different ways in ranking your website based on many other factors. These changes will be discussed on a separate video titled The Anatomy of the Future SEO Strategy. The old school method of search ranking should still be your bread and butter as part of your SEO strategy. And that is creating original, engaging, and relevant content, using proper backlinking etiquette, adding original and relevant additional content and updates regularly, using appropriate and relevant page titles and page descriptions. What was covered in this tutorial is the cusp of what Google have already planned to accomplish, but will most certainly keep innovating as they have done so in the past to make your search results more accurate, reliable, and relevant. For more information and updates on internet marketing, video marketing, and SEO, please subscribe this channel. This is Vijit for thevisualcube.com. Thank you for watching.